Hi, this is Ida from XY Global, and today I share a story about my customer. A few years ago, a medical device customer came from XY Global with a medical project. At that time, the product was still in the early design stage. They already had drawings and clear equipment, but many details were needed to be tested and improved. The parts looked simple, but the real changes was precision and the consistency. Some dimensions needed tight tolerance. Some surfaces had to stay stable after treatment. And because the parts were used in medical equipment, every batches had to be reliable. During the prototype stage, we worked closely with their engineers. We reviewed the drawings, discussed the difficult areas, and provided the DFM suggestions before machining. In the following sample rooms, we also adjusted the machining process to produce the deformation and improve assembling fit. Step by step, the project moved from prototype testing to small batches products and finally to stable MP. For us, this project was not just about making the metal parts. It was about supporting the customer through each stage and help them turn an idea into a real product. So if you are developing the new medical device project, feel free to talk with the XY Global. See you next time.